So we have completed 24 problems. Now I am going to 25. See the question what they are given. Now 25th question. Integration cos x log tan x by 2. So apply the integration by parts. Apply the integration by parts. I let L is logarithm, T is trigonometry. So integration tan x by 2. Sorry, log tan x by 2. This is first function. Cos x, second function, dx. Now, apply the UV rule. Apply the UV rule. What happened? Logarithm of tan x by 2. Integration cos x, sin x, minus integration. Derivative of first function. Derivative of log tan x by 2. Log means we know that 1 by x now. Now, internal derivative of tan x by 2, that is secant square x by 2. Again, internal derivative 1 by 2. Next, integration cos x, that is sin x dx. Logarithm of tan x by 2 sin x minus. Here, do carefully. 1 by 2 I am writing outside. Secant square x by 2 means 1 by cos square x by 2. Tan x by 2 means sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2. Next, here sin x is there. Sin x formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 dx. Here observe that second term, each and every term is going to cancel. Only remaining is 1. What is integration 1 dx? That is minus x plus c. This is answer. Tell me which option is correct. I think first option is correct. Students, here first option or fourth option? Fourth option is correct. Why? Here tan x by 2 is there. In first option only tan x. So fourth option is correct answer. Observe the question. Integration x square into x secant square x plus tan x divided by x tan x plus 1 whole square, that is equal to minus x square divided by x tan x plus 1 plus f of x. Here observe the integration. What is derivative of x tan x plus 1? X tan x plus 1. Here first term is UV rule. X is constant. Derivative of tan x secant square x plus tan x is constant. Derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of constant 0. So that means, see that we are getting numerator or not. So how to write this? That is equal to x square integration. Denominator, for suppose take t, that is t square dt. This is take t, so you will get dt, that is equal to dt, like this. Here will come dx minus, to take outside, integration x into integration dt by t square into dx. Now integration 1 by t square, that is same numerator, t power minus 2. Overall, that integration is minus 1 by t minus 2 into integration x into, here also minus 1 by t dx. Now substitute that t value, minus x square divided by t means what we are taken, x is tan x plus 1 minus 2 into, here x into x divided by t means minus to minus plus, what is t here, x tan x plus 1 dx. Here first term we got. Now we need to find f of x. Tell me tan x how to write. Still now it is not completed. Still now it is not completed. Continuation part. Now this part is same, plus 2 into tan x, we can write sin x by cos x. At the time you will get numerator x cos x divided by x sin x plus cos x dx. This observe that denominator do the derivative, you'll get numerator. So this is in the form of integration f dash of x by f of x. So that is, we can write 2 into logarithm of x sin x plus cos x plus c. In the question they are asking only f of x. This is the f of x. So finally I am writing f of x means, that is 2 into logarithm of x sin x plus cos x. Observe the options. Which option is correct? I think third option is correct. 27th question. How to do this? So take log x is equal to t. Log x is equal to t. Then what is x? E power t. E power t. Now differentiate, dx is equal to e power t into dt. Now those values substitute in the question. Integration x cube means I am writing x into x square. Why? No need. Directly we can write x cube. X cube log x whole square dx. X means what? E power t. E power t whole cube, we get e power 3t. And log x means t, we get t square into, what is dx value? E power t into dt, right here. E power t into dt. Now e power 3t into e power t, that is e power 4t or not? E power 4t, right here. E power 4t into t square dt. So how to do this? E power 4t into t square dt. E power 4t, 4 is extra. So go alternative method. Let 4t is equal to some u. 4 dt, that is equal to du. Substitute here. E power u into t square. 4t is equal to u. T is equal to u by 4 now. U by 4 whole square. Dt means du by 4 again. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 into e power u square du. Here onwards we know the formula. 64 into e power u. Apply the formula. That is u square, one more time derivative 2u, one more time derivative plus 2 plus c. Okay. Now in place of u, substitute 4t first. 64 into e power 4t into, so this is not 64, 1 by 64. Sorry. Now u square means what we can write? 16t square minus 8t plus 2 plus c. Again go to the problem. Log x is equal to t. Log x is equal to t. Then x is equal to e power t. This is in place of u power t, write x. In place of t, log x. Here 1 by 64. E power t means x. We get x power 4 into 16 log x whole square minus 8 log x plus 2 plus c. Now by observing the options, then we can calculate. See the options. Outside 1 by 4 is, so keep 1 by 4 here. Remaining 16. 16 4s are 64 now. 1 by 16 send inside. Here you will get 16, 16 cancel. Log x whole square minus 8 by 16 means 1 by 2 log x plus 2 by 16, that is 1 by 8 plus c. This is the final answer. Observe the options. Which option is correct? So I am expecting that first option is correct. First option is correct.